As a makeup artist in a better years, I still try to figure if I should start my waxing video by saying what's in the kitty with my. But in this video, yeah, I'm not a wax no kitty cause I know that I wanna see. I the wax one arm, one hairy one too. One when I wax for like 2 months. And of course, I have to use my legal sexy smooth wax. Cause this is the best wax I ever use in my whole life. The do waxing. No lie. When I use this is the only one I ever use with the first pull. Take off all the hair. See what I tell you? All the hair come off right there. I not even had to do a clean up. But sometimes when I think I need to do a clean up, you still do a clean up. Cause trust me, this wax I grab all the hair, all the one with the stuck in it, yeah, grab it. Then I had to finish with a, well, I mean, pretty kitty. Well, yeah, and this a whole thing. Look when I done. You saw clean that?